Hello, this is our basic 5-channel remote here. You can control up to 5 shutters on this one remote. One of the first things you want to know is which way up and which way down is. How you can tell that is by these lights here on the bottom. You always want those below your commands, and this hole on the top here. Now to switch between shutters, you're going to use these side arrows here. Depending on how many shutters you have, you can go to each one. Once you find the selected shutter you'd like to operate, then you're going to use your 3 command buttons in the middle. Depending on which direction you want to run it, you can hit up, and that will send the shutter all the way up. You can hit down, send the shutter all the way down, and you can also hit the stop button in the middle to stop it at any height. Pretty basic remote here. On the back, you'll notice there's a little section where you can take out to get to your battery. This battery is easily found at a variety of different stores. In case you ever need to change it out, that's where it is. I hope that helps.